Local health officials right here in the Twin Tiers are looking at a possible vaccine for Lyme disease. Our 18 News reporter Trina Catterson joining us with how you can help in the research.
I'm standing outside of Guthrie Hospital, which has been chosen as one of the healthcare organizations nationwide to conduct a clinical trial for a potential Lyme disease vaccine.
We are participating in what's called a VALOR trial, and that's a Lyme vaccine study. We're about to get started in about a couple of weeks, and we will enroll patients up until December of this year or perhaps early January. So we're very excited.
There are currently no approved vaccines available to prevent Lyme disease. Guthrie is actively looking for participants that either live or participate in activities that increase their risk for Lyme disease, such as landscaping, fishing, hunting, or gardening.
There's no cap, so we can enroll as many as we can get appointments for. And those appointments will be holding on this campus. We're looking for people 5 or older because we hope that if this vaccine is found effective and becomes available, that children can have it.
As we saw with the release of the COVID-19 vaccine 2 years ago, a common question when it comes to these trials are how exactly does the vaccine work?
Well, the vaccine would generate antibodies. So these antibodies, it's almost like leaving your dog on the front porch. And if somebody comes up that shouldn't come up, if the wrong mailman comes, then the dog's going to bark. So that's how it would work. The antibodies would try to fend off against the offending thing coming with the tick bite.
Finding a preventative vaccine could help lower the chances of serious long-term symptoms, benefiting the lives of those who struggle with Lyme disease everywhere.
Some people after Lyme, they don't seem to be the same anymore. So anything we can do to prevent Lyme, I think, would be huge.
If you are interested in signing up for the trial, you can find more information on our website, mytwintiers.com.
In Sayre, Trina Catterson, 18 News.